Welcome. This is Joshua Benoist in Autodesk Product Support, and this is video 20, our last video in the series where we're talking about how to use Parametric Part Builder to make parametric multi-view parts. I hope you enjoyed the series. I know it was quite a few videos, but it's a pretty complicated subject too. And here's the problem statement. Pause the video if you need to read that, and let's move on.
Okay, so last bit of info. We fixed the MV part, but this part definition is already in this drawing right here. So in order to get rid of it, delete it and go up to File, Drawing Utilities, Purge Building System Objects. Okay, so should be gone now, I think. Now if we go, let's regenerate that catalog to make sure that it's updated in this drawing. So double click on this guy down here and just say M for MV part. Okay. And let's try MV part add again. So MV part add. There we go. Here's our part. Come out here. Look at that. It's now inserted properly. Now notice that my origin is off. So anyway, we fixed the visibility of this. Let's fix the origin. Notice, I believe that the UCS origin is where our part's being inserted at, but what we really want is the, let's go to the work planes, let's end object isolation for everybody, and we want to hide, let's hide this plane, let's hide the upper plane. So we're left with the bottom plane. I want that center point right there to be the origin for this part. That looks like it's it. It just highlighted there. So if I choose that, notice it's already fixed, but what we need to do, zoom in on it now, and right click on bottom plane, add geometry, okay, so forget about that. We don't want to right click and add geometry, but we do want this point to be the insertion point, which is under auto layout data actually. So if we select on auto layout data, right click, select placement point, select a placement point, and we're going to choose that guy right there. So he is now the origin of our part. Save him, and let's exit. Let's delete this guy and go back and do the purge building system objects thing again. Let's regen our catalog. Double click there, MV part, blah blah blah. Done. Okay. Go back to MV part add. And voila. Look at that. My origin is fixed. Beautiful. So let's look at that from a 3D perspective. There's our part right there. And we can control the height of this. MV part modify. I think that WP see, that still says 36 inches. Let's change that down to something more like 18 inches. Create system size part. Okay. Apply. There it goes. Now it looks a lot more like our original guy there. And so that's how you make the parametric part. Let me know if you have any questions. There are duct connectors on there because we had the connectors. You can just draw ducts off of it. And I believe that's it. Thank you very much.